Hello, in today's lesson we will talk about arithmetic sequence, but before I continue, let me introduce to you what is the meaning of sequence. So, a sequence is a set of things that usually use a number that are in order. So, down below we have an example of a sequence. So, we have 3, 5, 7, 9, and as you notice, after the 9, you notice that there are 3 dots. It usually indicates infinite or continuously. So the first term, which is 3, 3 represents for the first term, 5 represents for the second term, 7 represents for the third term, and 9 represents for the fourth term. Each term is added by 2. So usually in the sequence, it adds the same value. So each number in the sequence is called a term, or sometimes called an element or a member. And now let's proceed to the main, which is the arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, the difference between one term and the next is a constant. So in other words, we just added the same value each time, so it goes infinitely.
Hi everyone, this is a word problem where we're going to use arithmetic sequence. Problem number 1. After knee surgery, your trainer tells you to return to your jogging program slowly. He suggests jogging for 12 minutes each after for the first week. Each week thereafter, he suggests you increase the time by 6 minutes. How many weeks will it be before you are up to jogging 60 minutes per day? You start off with jogging 12 minutes each day for the first week, then a week goes by and he suggests to increase it 6 more minutes. Then another week goes by, you're going to increase it another 6 more minutes and continue doing that. Where we are going to figure out how long it takes to start running 60 minutes per day. So we are going to set up a sequence. So a sequence starts where week 1, we are running 12 minutes, then a week goes by, we're going to add 6 more minutes to 12 minutes. So 12 plus 6 is 18. Now, another week goes by, we're going to add 6 more minutes. So now we are at 24 minutes. We continue that pattern up to 60 minutes. So now, we are at 24 minutes, we continue that pattern up to 60 minutes. And we want to find out how long for us to take to reach 60 minutes. So we are going to solve this using the explicit formula. So, we start off with a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the common difference with a quantity of n minus 1. Now, a sub n is the last term in our sequence. A sub 1 represents our first term and n represents the number of weeks, which is unknown for us right now. We do need to know the common difference, which is adding 6 from one week to another. Alright, so now we start to go ahead and substitute it in the explicit formula. So, a sub n are 60 minutes and a sub 1 is our 12 minutes, plus the common difference of 6 minutes times the quantity of n minus 1. And we're gonna solve the equation by undoing. So, the first thing we wanna do is we wanna subtract 12 from the both sides. So, 60 minus 12 is 48, and then we're left with 6 times the quantity of n minus 1. Then we can distribute that 6 through in the right hand side. So we have 6n minus 6. Some of you might divide it by 6 first. You can do that. Now we are going to add 6 to both sides to undo the minus 6 to the right hand side of the equation. So now, we have 48 plus 6, which is 54. The last step to solving for n is to divide both sides by 6. So 54 divided by 6 gives us 9. Therefore, it will take 9 weeks to be running 60 minutes a day. So, there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned a lot. Until next time. Bye!